Students, today we will start phylum Porifera. So here this phylum consists of their body is with full of spores. ठीक है, you can write here pore. Pore means to bear. ओके, उनकी पूरी बॉडी में क्या रहती है? पोर्स. ठीक है, पोर बियरिंग एनिमल्स. It is a Greek word. So first, before telling this, let me tell you how they actually look. So this is actually how they look. Okay. So this is Porifera. This is sponges. It is a type of Porifera. Bath sponge, the sponge which we used. This is also a Porifera, and this is the section of Porifera. When you cut the section, how it looks, ये उसका section है. Okay, it consists of cells like conocytes, amoebocytes. Okay, so this is actually how they look. So we will start first their habitat. Okay, so where they are found? Habitat, they are mostly marine. They are marine except Spongilla. Except Spongilla. Okay, and they are sessile. Sessile means attached to substratum. They are not usually found in cold water. Sponges like warmer water. अब वो colonial form में भी पाए जाते हैं and solitary. Next is body form. बॉडी कैसी होती है? पोरस. ठीक है, पोर बियरिंग. ठीक है, एंड टू पोर्स होते हैं इनके में. ओस्टिया एंड ऑस्क्यूला. So ostia is inhalent pores. Inhalent pores, and osculum is exhalent. Next is their symmetry. They are asymmetrical. Some are radially symmetry. Some are radially symmetry. Write it down. Okay. Now come to germ layers. Germ layers. Diploblastic. Diploblastic means here two embryonic germ layer. We have discussed this. Diploblastic, that is two germ layers. Two embryonic germ layers that is namely what? Ectoderm and endoderm. Next, level of organization. Level of these we all have discussed. If you write Z here, you can Z. So it is, sponges are cellular level of organization. Write on here organization. Body wall. The body wall of sponge consists of 3 layers. Now from here we have to be very 3 layers, that is first pinacoderm. डर्म वर्ड आ रहा है मतलब ये आउटर है. ओके, आउटर. और कौन सी सेल्स पाई जाती है? विच सेल्स आर फाउंड हेयर? द सेल्स विच आर फाउंड इज पिनाकोसाइट्स. सेल कौन सी पाई जा रही है? पिनाकोसाइट्स. Will tell you with the help of diagram. Second is कोनोडर्म. कोनोडर्म ये इनर सेल्यूलर लेयर है. इट इज इनर सेल. राइट ऑन होल सेंटेंस, इनर सेल्यूलर लेयर. और इसमें कौन सी सेल्स पाई जाती है? कोनोसाइट्स. विच सेल इज फाउंड? Very very important, koanocytes. And what are their function? They helps in the water current. Very important, koanocytes, or you can say collar cells. इनको कॉलर सेल्स भी बोला जाता है. ठीक है. और कॉलर cells. Okay, first we will see the section. So how it actually looks, where they are located. Consider the third. Koanocytes function. Let me write. Koanocytes functions generate water current. That water currents helps in digestion. And what the structure look like? इसका structure होता है कैसा है? They have collar. Okay. And this is flagella. Okay. So this is collar and this is flagella. So this is collar cell. Third one is mesohyl. It is also known as mesenchyme. ठीक है. In between these two layer, in between pinacoderm and coanoderm, in between pinacoderm and coanoderm. And very important, it has इसकी specialty क्या है, numerous spicules and spongin fibers are found. Okay, it contains which cells? Amoebocytes. Contain which cell? Amoebocytes. Important. It looks like amoeba like cells. Okay, and these are modified into amoebocytes is very important. Now amoebocytes are modified into, अच्छा, actually amoebocytes performs all the function. Okay, what is the function of amoebocytes? Right, I am writing here, secrete collagen and transfer of digested food. It is a function of amoebocyte. Function of amoebocyte secretes collagen and transfer of digested food. So it is the function of amoebocytes. Amoebocytes का ये function है. So amoebocytes are modified to first colonocytes. Secretes spongin fibers. Second, archaeocytes. Archaeocytes function is, they are totipotency cells. Totipotency cells means it can be differentiate into other cells. ठीक है, totipotency cells. Tropocytes. Function of tropocytes, it is a group of cells store food. Okay, group of cells store food. Sorry, tropocytes na, I have said tropocyte is a nurse cell. Sorry, it's a nurse cells. Just these are nurse cells. It is thesocytes. Thesocytes, group of cells stored food. Then come to gland cells. Actually it is amoebocytes. ठीक है, amoebocytes are modified into, they are various function of amoebocytes. Okay, and gland cells function secrete slimy substance. Next come to scleroblast. Function of scleroblast, secretes spicules. Then come to germ cells. Reproduction, helps in reproductions, and various other cells are found myocytes, phagocyte, chromocytes. Chromocytes function contains pigments, okay, contains pigments, granules and excretory substance. Chromovert is coming now. And phagocytes collect food from, phagocytes collect food from choanocytes, okay. Phagocytes can collect food from choanocytes, okay. So these are the functions. Next we will discuss